welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is tenses, right? So tenses basically refer करता है time को. तो हम नोटिस करते हैं कि जब भी हम अपने सेंटेंसेस को बोलते हैं तो उसमें टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग थोड़े से चेंजेस किए जाते हैं, राइट? So that is what we are going to read in this chapter, that what is the importance of time and how do we change the sentences according to their tense, right? So let us begin with the chapter. Tense is the way verbs relate their meanings to time. कि tense वो तरीका है जिससे verbs अपने मतलब से relate कर सकती हैं according to the time, right? There are different forms of verb can take to indicate the time of action. कि बहुत सारी अलग अलग तरीके की verbs हैं जो कि टाइम को अलग अलग तरीके से इंडिकेट कर सकती है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेस. तो अब बात करेंगे कि टेंसेस एक्चुअली कितने तरीके के होते हैं. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज द प्रेजेंट टेंस, द पास्ट टेंस and the future tense, right? So first of all, let us discuss the present tense in detail. Beginning with present tense. Beginning with present tense first of all. So here as you can see, there is a box जिसमें अलग अलग तरीके के हमें sentences दिए हुए हैं. Let us read them. So simple present tense in the affirmative form, right? I sleep. You sleep. He, she, it sleeps, right? We sleep or they sleep, correct? So these were the affirmative sentences. Now next in the box we have the negative, which is two forms, long form and the contracted form, right? Let's see. I do not eat. I don't eat it. You do not eat it. You don't eat it. He, she, or it does not eat it. He, she, or it doesn't eat it. We do not eat it. We don't eat it. They do not eat it. They don't eat it. Right? Moving ahead towards the interrogative ones. They say, do I eat it? Do you eat it? Does he, she, or it eat it? Do we eat it or do they eat it? Right? After that, moving ahead to the uses of simple present tense. So, simple present tense जो है वो कहाँ use किया जाता है? Let us see. First of all, they say to talk about the regular activities, routine or habits. कि सबसे पहले जब हम रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज, हैबिट्स या फिर कुछ ऐसे एक्टिविटीज की बात करते हैं जो कि हमारे डेली रूटीन को फॉलो करती हैं, तब हम प्रेजेंट टेंस का ही यूज करते हैं, राइट? लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जांपल्स. शी प्लेज फुटबॉल once a week. We start work at 9 a.m. every day. He eats fish on Friday. Right? Next we have to talk about taste. अब अगर हम कभी टेस्ट की बात करते हैं तो वो भी हमारे प्रेजेंट टेंस में ही यूज किया जाता है. तो एग्जाम्पल्स आर Krish likes Chinese food. Pashi doesn't like fish. Their children love chocolate. Right? Next, to talk about facts. तो अब बात करेंगे फैक्ट्स के बारे में। फैक्ट्स यानी कि जो चीज सभी के लिए सेम है, एज इट इज, राइट। सो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं हमारे, द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, सन जो है वो हमेशा ईस्ट साइड से ही उगता है, और ये सभी के लिए सेम है, राइट। इन शिमला द वेदर इज cold in summer also. Authors write books. Moving ahead, again we have an orange box which states about the present continuous tense. So, let us talk about the present continuous tense now. Again we have the affirmative column over here. Let's read the sentences from the affirmative column. First of all, I am eating it. You are eating it. He, she, it is eating it. We are eating it. They are eating it. Right? Next, we have the negative ones. Again, it has two forms, which is long form, and the next one is the contracted form. Let us read this. I am not eating it. I am not eating it. You can see कि यहाँ पर क्या difference है. We have used the short form of the words here, right? You are not eating it. You are not eating it. He, she, it is not eating it. He's, she's, it's not eating it. We are not eating it. We are not eating it. They are not eating it. They're not eating it. Right? Moving ahead to the next column, which is interrogative. It says, am I eating it? Are you eating it? Is he, she, it eating it? Are we eating it? Are they eating it? Right? Next, we have some points to note. Let us note them. Used for action happening at the moment, around, now or planned future event. Right? So, ये जो present continuous tense है, ये यूज किया जाता है ऐसे moments के लिए जो कि actually अभी किए जा रहे हैं. They are in continuity, like हम उन्हें लगातार कर रहे हैं. Right? Around now or planned future event. Right? So, next we have the uses of the present continuous tense. Let's see what are the uses of present continuous tense. So, to talk about actions happening at the time of speech. So, then present continuous tense का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हमें किसी ऐसे एक्शन की बात करनी हो जो कि एक्चुअली हम बोलते टाइम भी कर रहे हो, राइट, कि हम उसे बोल भी रहे हैं एंड एट द सेम टाइम वी आर परफॉर्मिंग दैट एक्शन, जस्ट लाइक आई एम टीचिंग इन द क्लास, राइट. So right now also I am teaching and I am speaking about it right now. So that means ये हमें बताता है कि हमने यहाँ पर present continuous tense का use किया है, right? Examples, I am reading this page now, right? Moving ahead, to talk about actions happening around now. तो ऐसे actions के बारे में बात करना जो कि अभी किए जा रहे हैं, just like I am learning English this year, right? Next, to talk about planned future arrangement. ऐसे future arrangements के बारे में बात करना जिनको हम already plan कर चुके हैं, right? जैसे कि example, next month I am spending my holidays in Australia, right? उसी के बाद बात करते हैं the present perfect tense की. So, let us see the column first of all? First of all, we have affirmative, which says, I have eaten it. Next, we have, you have eaten it. He, she, it has eaten it. We have eaten it. They have eaten it. Next, we have the negative column, which has two forms, which is long form and the contracted form. Let us read it. I have not eaten it. I haven't eaten it. You have not eaten it. You haven't eaten it. He, she, it has not eaten it. He, she, it hasn't eaten it. We have not eaten it. We haven't eaten it. They have not eaten it. They haven't eaten it. Right? Next, we have the interrogative form. It says, have I eaten it? Have you eaten it? Has he, she, it eaten it? Have we eaten it? Have they eaten it? Right? After that, we have a point to note. Let's note this. So, used for action completed recently or within present relevance or life experiences. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज हम कहाँ करते हैं? इट इज यूज फॉर एक्शंस जो कि रिसेंटली हमने अभी अभी कंप्लीट किए हैं, राइट? और विद प्रेजेंट रिलेवेंस कि हम उसके बारे में अब भी बात कर रहे हैं, एंड लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस कि लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंस की जब हम बात करते हैं तब हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक मूविंग अहेड वी हैव present perfect tense is used to refer to the finished part of a continuous action. तो यहाँ पर ये कह रहे हैं कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हमें रेफर करना हो किसी कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन के खत्म होने का, राइट? कि अब हम उस काम को कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. क्लियर? सो एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव रिमाइंड सम ग्रामर रूल्स, right? Next, we have the present perfect continuous tense now, which again has three columns. Let us see the affirmative column first of all. I have been eating it. You have been eating it. He, she, it has been eating it. We have been eating it. They have been eating it. Again, next in the column, we have the negative ones, which has two forms, the long form and the contracted form, right? So it says, I have not been eating it. I haven't been eating it. You have not been eating it. You haven't been eating it. He, she, it has not been eating it. Or he, she, it hasn't been eating it. We have not been eating it. We haven't been eating it. They have not been eating it. Or they haven't been eating it. Right? After that, next we have the interrogative column. Let us read the examples. Have I been eating it? Have you been eating it? Has he, she, it been eating it? Have we been eating it? Or have they been eating it? Right? So, now after that, we have the uses. Let us see that what do they tell us about the uses of this present perfect continuous tense. So it says, present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing or has recently stopped but has relevance to the present. कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस जो है वो यूज किया जाता है किसी एक एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो कि पास्ट में शुरू किया गया था बट इट इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग एंड रिसेंटली किसी वजह से हमने उसे रोक दिया है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल्स, आई हैव बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश सिंस सितंबर, राइट? शी हैज बीन वर्किंग ऑल मॉर्निंग. Here, after that, the next topic that we have here is the past tense. So, let us discuss about the past tense now. Here we have a column which explains the simple past tense, right? First of all, we have the affirmative column over here. Let's read it. I ate it. You ate it. He, she, it, ate it. We ate it. They ate it. Right? After that, we have the negative column, which has again the two forms, which is long form and the contracted form. So, it says, I did not eat it. I didn't eat it. You did not eat it. You didn't eat it. He, she, it did not eat it. He, she, it didn't eat it. We did not eat it. We didn't eat it. They did not eat it. Or they didn't eat it. Next, we have the interrogative form, which says, did I eat it? Did you eat it? Did he, she, it eat it? Did we eat it? Or did they eat it? Right? So, they say simple tense is used to talk about the finished actions in the finished period of time. तो पास्ट टेंस का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हमें किसी ऐसे काम के बारे में बात करनी हो जो कि ऑलरेडी फिनिश हम कर चुके हैं, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, yesterday evening I played tennis with a friend, right? Moving ahead, now we have the past continuous tense. So, talking about the past continuous tense now, again we have the three columns, which is affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So, let us begin with the affirmative one. So, it says, I was eating it. You were eating it. He, she, it was eating it. We were eating it, right? They were eating it. Next, we have the long form of the negative one and the contracted form. Let's read it again. I was not eating it. I wasn't eating it. You were not eating it. You weren't eating it. He, she, it was not eating it. He, she, it wasn't eating it. We were not eating it. We weren't eating it. They were not eating it. They weren't eating it. Next, we have the interrogative ones. Let's start reading it. Was I eating it? Were you eating it? Was he, she, it eating it? Were we eating it? Or were they eating it? Right? After that, we have the past continuous tense is used to talk about the continuous action which took place at the specific time in the past. कि past continuous tense जो है वो यूज किया जाता है बात करने के लिए उन एक्शंस के बारे में जो कि पास्ट में कंटिन्यूटी में थे, राइट? कि हम उन्हें लगातार परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, राइट? So, example it says, yesterday evening at 9 o'clock I was watching television, right? Moving ahead. Next, we have the past perfect tense. So, past perfect tense mein again we have the 3 columns. Let's start with the affirmative one. It says, I had eaten it. You had eaten it. He, she, it had eaten it. We had eaten it. They had eaten it. Right? Next, we have the long form and the short form, which is the contracted form in the negative column. Right? So, let's talk about them. I had not eaten it. I hadn't eaten it. You had not eaten it. You hadn't eaten it. He, she, it had not eaten it. He, she, it hadn't eaten it. We had not eaten it. We hadn't eaten it. They had not eaten it. They hadn't eaten it. Next, we have the interrogative form, which says, had I eaten it? Had you eaten it? Had he, she, it eaten it? Had we eaten it? Or had they eaten? Past perfect tense is used to refer to an action which took place before a specific time in the past. कि past perfect tense जो है वो उस एक्शन को रेफर करता है जो कि एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पहले किया जा चुका है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, when his mother arrived, Dave had finished the game, right? Next, talking about the past perfect continuous tense. So here we have the affirmative ones. First of all, let's read them. I had been eating it since morning. Next, we have the negative form, which has 2 columns but is long form, and the contracted form. I had not been eating it since morning. I hadn't been eating it since morning. Or the interrogative form, which says, had I been eating it since morning, right? Moving ahead. You had been eating it since morning. You had not been eating it since morning. You hadn't been eating it since morning. Had you been eating it since morning? Right? After that, he, she, it had been eating it since morning. He, she, it had not been eating it since morning. He, she, it hadn't been eating since morning. He, she, it been eating since morning. We had been eating it since morning. We have not been eating it since morning. We hadn't been eating it since morning. Had we been eating it since morning? Right? Next, we have they had been eating it since morning. They had not been eating it since morning. They hadn't been eating it since morning. Had they been eating it since morning? Right? Now, after that, we have the past perfect continuous tense is used to refer to a past continuous action that continued up to a certain point in the past. ठीक है, जो past perfect continuous tense है ये यूज किया जाता है रेफर करने के लिए past continuous action को जो कि कंटिन्यू किए जाते हैं एक पॉइंट तक पास्ट टेंस में ही, उनका प्रेजेंट से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है, राइट? सो द एग्जांपल सेज Caroline was tired when she left the office because she had been working all day. Correct? After that, moving to the future tense now. So, future tense mein again we have the simple future tense. First of all, let's read it. So, again with the affirmative column we'll start. Says, I shall eat it. You will eat it. He, she, it will eat it. We shall eat it. They will eat it. Right? Next, we have the negative sentences which have the long form and the contracted form again. I shall not eat it. I shan't eat it. You will not eat it. You won't eat it. He, she, it will not eat it. He, she, it won't eat it. We shall not eat it. We shan't eat it. They will not eat it. They won't eat it. Next, we have the interrogative form. Shall I eat it? Will you eat it? Will he, she, it eat it? Shall we eat it? Or will they eat it? Right? So, simple future tense is used for predictions, intentions, and things you think or know will happen. So, simple future tense ऐसी चीजों के लिए यूज किया जाता है जिनको आप आइडिया लगा सकते हो या फिर आपको पता है कि वो एक्चुअली होने वाली है आने वाले टाइम में, राइट? So, examples we have, I shall be 12 years old next year, right? Moving ahead to the next one, which is the future continuous tense. So, here we have the affirmative sentences first of all. I shall be eating it. You will be eating it. Right? After that, we have he, she, it will be eating it. We shall be eating it. They will be eating it. Right? After that, we have the negative ones which have the long form and the contracted form as well. So, I shall not be eating it. I shan't be eating it. Right? You will not be eating it. You won't be eating it. Moving ahead. He, she, it will not be eating it. He, she, it won't be eating it. We shall not be eating it. We shan't be eating it. They will not be eating it. They won't be eating it. Right? Now after that we have, will he, she, it be eating it? Shall we be eating it? Will they be eating it? Right? Now after that we have the future continuous tense is used to a future continuous action. तो फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस जो है वो यूज किया जाता है उन एक्शंस को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए जो कि आने वाले टाइम में होंगे और कंटिन्यूटी में होंगे, राइट? एग्जांपल्स, इन 2 hours टाइम I will be watching a. Now next that we have is the conditional tense. Now what is this conditional tense? Let's read the column first of all, which has affirmative sentences first of all. So, I would eat it. You would eat it. He, she, it would eat it. We would eat it. They would eat it. Right? Next, it has the negative forms. So it has the long form and the contracted form as well. I would not eat it. I wouldn't eat it. You would not eat it. You wouldn't eat it. He, she, it would not eat it. He, she, it wouldn't eat it. We would not eat it. We wouldn't eat it. They would not eat it. They wouldn't eat it. Right? Next, we have the interrogative form which says, would I eat it? Would you eat it? Would he, she, it eat it? Would we eat it? Or would they eat it? Right? So they say the conditional tense would plus verb or should plus verb is used to refer to an imaginary or hypothetical situation. Right? कि conditional tense जिसमें हम लगाते हैं would plus verb या फिर should plus verb वो refer करता है एक imaginary या फिर hypothetical situation. यानी कि हम उसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि शायद ऐसा हो भी सकता है और शायद ऐसा नहीं भी हो सकता है. Right? So they are the conditional tense. Example, we have, if I saw an accident, I would call an ambulance. Right? कि अगर मुझे accident मिला, तब मैं ambulance को बुलाऊं. Moving ahead, we have the different conditional structures. अब conditional structures की बात की जा रही है. So, present plus present recommendation in a situation. Example, if you see an accident, call a doctor. Right? Next, present plus future, possible future situation. So, example है, if I see an accident, I will call a doctor. Right? Next, past plus conditional, which is imaginary situation. So, it says example, if I saw an accident, I would call a doctor. Past perfect plus conditional. That says the situation occurred but no one saw it. Right? Example, if I had seen the accident, I would have called the doctor. Next, we usually use if and would or should in the conditional tense. कि हम इन sentences में, conditional tenses में usually would या फिर should का use करते हैं. So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all learned a lot from this. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.